Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can log into your TikTok account and then use it on smart TV. So how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and let's find out. So the first thing you need to do is to install the TikTok application. So you can go to the Play Store and install the TikTok application if it is available for your country or region. So if it is, so you need to install the application. I already did that. So you can find the video link in the description of this video. So here you need to tap on TikTok. So once you tap on TikTok, you need to go to the login section, as you can see here. And once you tap on that one, so here the TikTok application will ask you to scan the QR code. Here are the directions: scan with mobile camera, click the TikTok icon, confirm login and sign in. So here is another way as well that you can visit tiktok.com and you can activate that one. So the easiest way is to scan the QR code. You need to just open the camera on your phone and point it on the QR code. You need to just tap on the QR code then. So it will bring you to the application on your device. From here, you need to tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, so now as you can see, I am logged into my TikTok account on the smart TV. If I go here, as you can see now my profile, from here I can go to the search, and this is all the menu that you can use. If you want to swipe the videos, you need to just tap on the downward arrow on your remote. As you can see, now the videos are scrolling. So this is how you can scroll up and down using the up and down arrow on your remote. So guys, this is how you can log in to your TikTok account on your smart TV. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.